Hello. I'm so happy to see you.
Today, Cubby is going to the fruit market to buy some yummy fruit.
Let's go to the market.
Wow, look at all the fruit. First, Cubby finds a red apple.
And a long yellow banana.
He sees a round, juicy orange.
Ooh, purple grapes. Oh.
And a little red strawberry.
Next here is a big watermelon.
What's this spiky fruit? It's a pineapple.
A sweet yellow mango. My basket is full.
Back home, Tubby has a visitor. It's Lily the lamb. I'll share my fruits with you, Lily. Yummy! Thank you, Cubby. Cubby peels a juicy orange and washes the purple grapes. The orange is so sweet. Now for the big fruits, the watermelon and the pineapple. And the mango and strawberry, too. Look! Cubby made a big, beautiful fruit salad for them to share.
Fruits are yummy and even better when you share.
Bye-bye, friends. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join Cubby on more adventures.